So today we are making accessories for Angelic Pretty Elisabeth Unicorn. I bought some cameo and we're going to make accessories from this part. So this one is a necklace, a pendant, this one is a ring, and this one can work either as a pendant or a brooch. The thing is, I have to record the ratio of all of these because, as you can see, this one is a bit rounder than this, and so I have to stretch and be sure to print exactly the correct ratio, and then I print them and cut them and put here, and we'll put some resin on, and I hope it will be pretty. So let's go. So I'll start by detouring it. I go roughly and then I fixed it. Not too bad. This is gonna be the first one for this one. Yeah, I think the ratio works. Maybe this one is a bit rounder here, then here it's a bit flatter. We'll see, but I can always fix it by cutting. And if it's really too ugly, I can put like pearls around here or something to hide it. It's not gonna be perfect because I stretched it, and so you see how it's a bit blurry, but I'm at 300%, so like 100% is this big, so I think we're good. Since I'm going to print it and it will spoil a whole sheet of paper, what I'll do is that I just make tons of them on the same sheet and maybe different sizes, so then if one is wrong, then I can do another one. So now that I have these, I'm gonna print them out and cut them. Just notice that I took the pink colorway and the cross is blue and the side is pink, and actually that's the only colorway that's like that on the dress, and all the other I have the opposite. The cross is pink and the side is blue, and yeah, on all the other colorways. So that's the only big pictures that I had, and I could even take a bigger picture. So if you have the dress, you can take a picture of your dress and we can have the different colorways, but my goal was to test the idea of printing, cutting and putting on this with some gloss on it. Well, that's it. So now I'm gonna glue it to the bottom and then put some resin on. So I wasn't really happy how it looked because the resin liquid went inside of the paper and it doesn't look so good. So, and especially it's all super light. So that was the sheet of paper, and so I decided to print it again on a glossy photo paper, and I boosted the colors a little bit, and so I'm gonna try with these again. It's way better, but the resin is also beginning to eat the paper under it, and it's really too blurry for my taste. So maybe what I could do is I could try to spray the paper, especially on the sides, to see if that protects it, and then maybe the resin doesn't go under it. So then I sprayed this one on both sides and we'll see how it will protect it or not. And this is the moment of truth. Let's see if this time it works. So far it doesn't seem to go under and inside of the paper, so it might just be the trick. So I think it worked well, and I think it's the good way to make it. So from this, and I also noticed that I put it upside down, so don't, to this one who also you can see here has problems with the resin going under, and this one doesn't seem to have that problem at all. Just the thing is that it's really maybe not the exact colors because I boosted them, and it's a bit blurry because I had to stretch it. So my suggestion is that you take a picture as high quality as you can. Even if you have the dress, you can just take a picture of the dress lying flat and cutting in that image, and then it will be a better quality here when you print it. And then you have to use photo paper. The one that I used was inkjet, and previously I printed it with my laser printer, but you cannot put inkjet paper inside of the laser printer because it will damage your printer. So you have to have an inkjet printer. And also then I went outside and I sprayed a layer of protection on both sides of the paper. And so this is it to make the Elisabeth Unicorn jewelry from the Angelic Pretty dress, but you can literally make this from any other picture, and you can put even more resin to dome it, and this will really protect it. And my idea was with this one to maybe put a ribbon here to make a little bow and remind even more of the pattern of the dress. So I'm sorry for all the trouble we went through, but at least I will teach you what not to do, and I think that in the end I will be able to make a very pretty set of accessories with it, with different adjustments on that file on my computer. So thank you for watching that video, and see you soon. Bye bye.